Finally, we have the newly restored frame, which is in excellent condition, right before we were going into paint. You've obviously watched all the videos. The last thing that we did outside here this morning was dust off any kind of rust that had occurred from handprints, moisture in general. It already had been sandblasted, but we just cleaned it up really thoroughly. Yeah, so that is done. And all the mounts are there. It looks super sharp. And we'll be getting on painting this in black.